How's it going, guys? I know I haven't been making very many videos lately, but I want to be making a few more now. I want to be a little bit more consistent. So anyway, I got my printers here. This is just my Monoprice right there. That's my newer Kingroon. I have the other Kingroon downstairs right now printing some stuff in ABS outside because it makes fumes. And then over here I've got my, of course, my ANYCUBIC, the giant one, and the Anet A8 clone. But lately I've been actually trying to do some other stuff. I have been, sorry, it's kind of it's really a disaster in here, but I've been trying to do some laptop repairs. I used to have a laptop rental business, and then I started parting those out, and then I realized that it'd be great if I could either, repair some more or just part them out. So I have a few lots of laptops here. I've got this lot of 14. I got a couple of them over here, so that's not all of them, but this is mostly just some mini laptops, mostly HP. You can see fixing those up. 10 of the 14 actually do work and they're fixable, but it might still be worth more to part them out. I'm still looking into that. And then here I've got some other laptops. These are some older ones that I had. Those are just some parts that I still need to get listed. And then of course, I guess I got another lot of 5, and then I have another lot of 12 that are on the way. So that's a lot of fun. Yeah, I've done some laptop repairs in the past. This is making some money. Of course, I'm still kind of just starting out with it, but I'll just keep you updated on that if you want to watch my videos the next couple days. I know most of you are mostly interested in 3D printing, so I do want to make some more videos about configurations for each individual printer. Since I have a variety of them, it might be helpful to see what the differences are. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like if you don't mind. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and everything. So thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.